Polls have closed in Sri Lanka's parliamentary elections. More than 16 million people were eligible to vote. The election is taking place in the shadow of the coronavirus. Masks and safe distancing on full display with health measures in place at polling booths. The election had already been delayed twice due to the pandemic.
මම හිතන්නේ මේක මේ ආණ්ඩුව දිනයි කියලා. හොඳින් කෙරීගෙන යන්නේ හින්දා.
I want to see a prosperous country here. So therefore, with all my age, I came to vote. And even further, if I live, I will vote as long as I can.
The country's president is seeking a strong mandate. Gotabaya Rajapaksa wants a two-thirds majority in the 225-seat parliament, and that would allow him to roll back constitutional changes that limit his powers. And he's also looking to install his brother as prime minister. Major challenges await the new parliament. The economy is hurting from a double whammy. It had barely recovered from the 2019 Easter bombings when the pandemic struck. Vote counting starts tomorrow with results expected the day after.